Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by pairing your headset to the computer or phone. This is essential, so do it now. On desktop, use Settings Bluetooth. On mobile, use Bluetooth in Control Center or Settings. Once paired, make the headset your system default for both playback and microphone because Zoom reads system audio. Then open Zoom and pause. Do not join yet. Make sure Zoom is allowed to access the microphone and Bluetooth in your OS privacy settings, and then move to Zoom's audio panel. Now, with Zoom open, go to Settings and open the Audio tab. This is where you make the connection live. From the speaker drop-down, choose your Bluetooth headset, and do the same for microphone. Click Test Speaker and Test Mic to confirm sound and recording levels. Adjust the input slider so your voice isn't clipping. Once done, enable original sound for music or higher fidelity, but make sure to turn off noise suppression when it conflicts with audio quality. Confirm with a quick test meeting. Join the meeting and choose Join with Computer Audio. Double-check the headset is still selected in the drop-down near Mute. Make small adjustments. Mute/unmute and adjust speaker volume to confirm others hear you. If you experience lag or dropouts, move closer to the transmitter. Close Wi-Fi heavy apps or toggle Bluetooth off and on. These steps often restore the link. As a last resort, restart Zoom or your device. Update Bluetooth drivers or device firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.